Garmin is back with a fresh beta update for its Forerunner 570 and 970 smartwatches. Beta version 15.05 promises more smarter notifications, enhanced reports, and fixes for pesky battery drain. Here's everything you need to know. This update introduces granular control over app notifications, letting you choose exactly which alerts you receive. Morning and evening reports are now integrated directly into the notification center. You can even get tone or vibration alerts for your evening report. And when a notification pops up, just swipe your palm over the screen to dismiss it instantly. No buttons required. For runners and athletes, the update brings real improvements. The time to race day countdown in Race Glance is now more precise, and selecting an activity is smoother than ever, with reduced lag. Even sleep tracking gets smarter. Your watch will automatically exit sleep mode if an activity finishes near the end of your sleep window. Beta 15.05 also tackles several bugs. Voice command glitches while playing music? Fixed. Secondary races showing up instead of primary races? Gone. And perhaps most importantly, an issue causing faster than expected battery drain has been addressed, giving you longer use between charges. Installing the beta is simple. On your Forerunner, navigate to Main Menu, then Settings, then System, Software Update, and finally, check for updates. The update will download, install, and you're ready to explore all the new features immediately. These enhancements make the Forerunner 570 and 970 smarter, faster, and more intuitive. From managing notifications to tracking sleep and preparing for race day, Beta 15.05 is a significant step forward for Garmin's flagship smartwatches. Garmin hasn't yet announced when these features will reach all users, but for now, beta testers can enjoy a more personalized, reliable, and efficient experience. If you're a Forerunner user, this is one update you won't want to miss.